If you guys know me, you know I carry around a lot of knives every single day. It's because I'm Filipino, it's what we do. I actually worked in a knife shop back in 1996. It was the greatest job of my life. It was a Chesapeake Knife and Tool in White Marshmallow. I've always dabbled with budget EDC, reading a lot of the forums, but lately a lot of people are steering me towards my next knife, which was a budget D2 steel knife, affectionately called the R2D2. The Ontario Knives Rat-2 in D2, and here it is. Here's what I got. I've been carrying it for a week, and I have to say, this is the most premium knife I have ever owned. This one was just right under $40, and I have to tell you, this is the finest knife out of the box I've ever had. To demonstrate this knife, I'm gonna go ahead and prep a full chicken, show you how it holds up in the kitchen.